bird's milk. Well, I just got done with a university class called Russian Film, and they were giving away Russian food, and this is bird's milk. It's some sort of candy or something. It has a very white center. It's like cream, but it's different. It's not quite gelatin, it's not quite cream. So I wanted to eat it before it melts or whatever it does. The instructor said it was light, as though if a bird did give milk, it would resemble this stuff. So it's really light confection. I'll probably not get it again soon, so I want to document it. Alright, now you know.